My name is Michael Young, and I'm a lawyer who handles will contests and other types of contested estates in Texas. In many of these videos, I'll discuss legal concepts and the procedures involved in will contests in Texas. But I find it's also interesting to discuss the types of cases that I've handled and give real-world examples. In this video, I'll talk about a case that I handled out of Collin County several years ago, and it involved two sisters who attempted to cut out their two siblings from the estate of their mother. The mother had 4 children, and 2 of the children, while the mother was in the hospital, while she was heavily sedated, and only 2 days before she died, they had her execute a new will. Now, there was an attorney involved. That attorney went to the hospital, had the testator make the new will, cutting out the 2 sisters, and they contacted me, the sisters who were cut out. Once they found out what was going on, they contacted me after the will was filed for probate, and I interviewed them, interviewed a few other witnesses, and we filed a will contest just 2 days before the prove-up hearing was scheduled to occur. And in that petition, I was able to allege that this lady, their mother, was in very poor health, which was proven by the fact that she died 2 days later. I had witness affidavits saying that she was extremely confused, that she had trouble recognizing them. Also, the will misspelled one of the names of the daughters. And I find in many cases that those types of things are big red flags, both for judges and jury, because the proponents of the will, the 2 sisters, obviously were going to say that the mother was of completely sound mind and that she understood that what she was doing, and that the lawyer who prepared the will was obviously going to testify that they believed that the testator read the entire will and they understood what it meant. But then the obvious question then is, why would she sign a document that misspelled one of her daughter's names? Surely a mother knows how to spell the daughter's names. So we put all that together in a will contest petition, and I received a call from the lawyer for the proponent, one of the 2 sisters who was benefiting, and wanted to discuss a settlement of the case. And within a few days, we reached a settlement that made my clients happy, put the issue behind them, and they were able to move on as a family. That's just one example. Sometimes they're not always resolved that quickly, but we, in this case, obtained a significant procedural advantage because we filed the will before it was admitted to probate and before one of the sisters who was benefiting was able to be appointed as executor. If you're facing a will contest situation, if you want to contest a will, or if somebody has contested a will that you've offered for probate, feel free to give me a call and we can talk about your case.